This is that Vana tulsi, one of the Ocimum. And it's a perennial bush. It grows 4 or 5 feet and all, or even more. And its life is in the root, so you can trim this one, for example. You can trim it somewhere till here. It's already been trimmed once till there, and then it will grow again. So it can be maintained as a hedge plant, and it will live for years and years. If you have one good plant, it will last for 10 years, 12 years and all. And this is one Ocimum that I particularly recommend because it purifies the air, and it is one of those tree plants that improves the luck of the house and all that. Like evil stuff, spirits and all that. It gives protection, and this drishti and all, evil eye and such things. And then apart from that, it has very good herbal uses. That is, it's good for chikungunya and all, preventive. In the rainy season and between seasons, one leaf can be added to the tea in the morning, and that will give immunity from that, will prevent many of these malaria type of fevers, chikungunya, then dengue fever and all. So immunity boosting herb that improves the air and ambience, vibes, everything. Long lived also. So it's a good plant, I recommend.